Welcome to MDC Learning, Standard TY BCom, Subject Computer Education. So students, let's begin. First, let us now understand what is a cell in Excel. Cells are basic building blocks in Excel. They are found with the intersection of rows and columns. Here, D4 is a cell. Then name box. Each cell is unique and it has a name or cell address, which is based on column and row it intersects. It is displayed in the box called name box. Example given. Here cell address C5 is printed in the name box because here this cell is found with the intersection of C column and fifth row, hence the C5 is printed in the name box. Now to insert content in a cell, we can enter the content in a cell using keyboard and it will appear in cell as well as in the formula bar. Here, this is our formula bar. Now you must be wondering what can be contents of a cell. So now let me tell you, each cell can hold the data like text, formatting, comments, formulas and functions. It can contain letters, numbers and dates. Cell can contain formatting attributes that change the way letters, numbers and dates are displayed. For example, date can be displayed as MMDDYY or MMDDYYYY format or any other format. Cell can also contain the comments. Cells can contain formulas and functions that calculate the cell value. For example, here equal to sum A1 colon A8 is a formula that adds the values from cell A1 to A8. Now let's see this practically. You can type simple text in a cell, or you can type some number, or you can have the dates like this or currency symbol. Then you can have comments like this. Then also you can have formula in a cell. You can see here, I select all these cells, close the bracket and press enter. I get the value, that is sum of these numbers, and it is visible in my formula bar. Suppose I have some number like 20. You can see here I typed in the cell and it is visible in the formula bar. So you can change the cell contents either from the formula bar or from cell itself. Now I'll change it from the formula bar. Change it to 100. You can see here it is reflected in the cell itself, right? Suppose I want to delete this 100. What to do? I go to clear command, click on clear contents and my contents got deleted. Then other things can be like you press delete key, then also you are able to delete. Then you can also press backspace key and you are able to delete the contents of the cell. Now suppose I want to copy this number from this place to some other place. So what I am going to do, I'm going to press Control C, or I'll directly press on the command on the ribbon, which is copy command, and I paste it this place. This can be done in two ways. Either I click on the paste command and paste here, or press Ctrl V. So for copy, the command is Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C for copying the content and Ctrl V for pasting that content. Now suppose I want to cut this number from here to some other place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on cut command and I select the cell where I want to paste that and I click on the paste command. So my contents got cut and pasted in the cell E13. Now the shortcut key for paste is Ctrl V and for cut is Ctrl X. That means if you want to cut paste something, you have to first press Ctrl X and then press Ctrl V. Now let us see, I have these two numbers. I want to fill the series of these numbers. You can see the plus sign at the bottom right corner of the cell. So this is called fill handle. I'll press the left button of mouse and drag these numbers through all these cells. You can see here my series of these numbers got automatically filled. Right? This is called autofill. I can also have some weekdays. With the help of autofill, I can fill up the weekdays without typing manually. Now see here, I just click on the fill handle and by pressing the left button of mouse, I drag it and I get these cells filled with the weekdays. So this is the example of autofill. So students, this is all about cells. Let's quickly summarize. To delete contents of a cell, click clear commands and then click on clear contents or press delete or backspace key from the keyboard. To copy, use the shortcut key Ctrl C, and for paste Ctrl V, and for cut and paste Ctrl X and Ctrl V. And now what is fill handle? Fill handle is nothing but it is a feature to extend and fill a series of numbers, dates or even text to a desired number of cells. Now you can solve the practical assignment. So that's all about basics of cell. We'll bring you more videos on Excel. Bye for now. Thank you.